Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. Today I am going to show you a product demonstration of a digital standee, free floor digital standing, which is of height 6 foot and width is 3 feet and the depth is 2 feet. So this is a cloud controlled digital standee with a 55-inch 4K display. This specific project is for Maharashtra government, and as you can see, this complete manufacturing done in house. We can do mass manufacturing at a very competitive rate, completely in house with product warranty and best in class software features and display quality. So I'll just show you the products, just take you through all these products. As you can see, these are slides which are being displayed on the standees right now. These slides can be images, videos, even live YouTube streams, or Google slides, or anything really, any image or any video, even scrolling text, which we call tickers, or multiple other widgets like live weather, live score, live RSS feed, live news. So all of these content can be completely updated without touching the standee. So it is basically it's a kind of an IoT device which is cloud controlled. You can control the volume of the device, you can switch on switch off the device, you can restart the device from the cloud. So this is a very powerful feature. Say for example, you change contents every day of the digital standee. Say for example, today is Father's Day or Friendship Day. You want to update your content immediately on these digital standees, then you can do so via a desktop or a mobile phone within 2 minutes. Just upload the media, update the playlist, and you are done. You immediately that new playlist and new media will be shown on these devices. So these devices come with a standard 1 year warranty, can be extended to 2 years more. Many other features. As you can see, the quality of the display is really good. It is a 4K display, and there is also an option, if you don't want to use the cloud version of the standee, you can use the offline software which we provide, Keysign Standard, that you can update the contents using a pen drive, and once you connect the pen drive to our controller, the automatically all the media will be downloaded into these standees and the content will start playing automatically. So there's no need to even use any remote to switch on these. There is a power button just on the side of the standee, as you can see here. So you can switch on these standees without using any remote. There is no intervention required to switch on these standees. Just power it on and it's good to go. The build quality is solid, and the powder coating quality is also very smooth and blemishless. As you can see, the powder coating quality, the grains of the powder coating is very smooth and fine. There is no kinks or any irregularities in the paint. I'll show you the back side of these standees as well. It is a really slim standee, as you can see from here. The thickness of the standee is really slim, best in class. As also the back side, there's a provision for lock and key. If you want to lock the standee, you can insert your padlock over here, and there's a grills, designer grills for heat dissipation. As you can see, the base of the standee is really solid, and it is a heavy duty metal 2.5 ms powder coated, and there are wheels. You can see these caster wheels are heavy duty, as also they come with a brake. So if you want to just move the standee, you can unbrake it, and if you want to fix the standee in this position, you just brake it. So now the standee has the wheel have brakes, so now you cannot move this standee, it is fixed. We can ship these standees to anywhere in India, and we ship right from Srinagar to Kanyakumari to Assam, to anywhere really in India, any pin code we can deliver. We use high quality wooden packing, so there is absolutely no chance of any damages or scratches during transit. And usually we have many logistics partners. Usually you can get the material within 1 week at any location in India. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and thank you for watching.